Hello, my name is Janelle Nelson, and today we'll be addressing usability testing using the Natural Resources and Conservation Service, also known as the NRCS's website. And the NRCS is a government agency that's sole purpose is to provide information and assistance and funding for different land uses and conservation and planning and different things like that. So, one of the issues with this website is the design. So you can see the design here is pretty typical, a lot of common links and things that people are always looking for. But if you go to About the NRCS, which has a bunch of general information about the NRCS, the design is different. This is the only page that I've found on the website that looks like this, with the different bubbles instead of just links like the rest of it. This disorganization and multiple design techniques makes it confusing and a little more difficult to navigate. And some of the good things to know about where to find on the NRCS is the plant database. And it is under the Topics tab under Plants and Animals, and it is right here. And the plant database contains a bunch of great information depending on what you're looking for. You could have an entire list of plant species for your county or for your state, or you can find information on a specific species or plant. And then another good thing to know or to find and how to use is the Web Soil Survey under the Topics tab, Soils. And you can go down here to the Web Soil Survey. If you click on it, it will take you to a new page that looks like this. And to start your Web Soil Survey or start building your map of the area that you want or need, click on the green button and it will take you through the steps. It's not extremely self-explanatory, but with a little toggling and you can figure it out. And then some of the other good things to know about how to contact different people or offices for counties or states. Back to the home page, the general contact information for the entire country is here, but if you want for your specific state, you go up here to state websites, click on it, and Latah County is in Idaho. And go down, it's either contact us, or contact us up here, or find your local NRCS office, or employees directory. There's so many different ways to find one thing, or really similar things, that makes it, using this website, a little more confusing. So this is the address and information for Latah County. The main office is in Moscow, and apparently on South Mountain View Road. So, just little things like that make this website less informative and more confusing than anything, but it does contain a lot of useful information. Hope this little blurb about the NRCS was helpful and give you more of a handle on how to navigate and use the website to your best advantage. Thank you for listening.